To help remind front seat occupants of the possibility of rear seat passengers or important cargo, this vehicle is equipped with a rear seat reminder system. If the rear doors are opened and closed within 10 minutes of the vehicle's power mode being switched on, the system will activate an alert when the vehicle is turned off. A reminder will appear in the driver information interface, and an alert will sound when the vehicle power is set to off. Note that the system doesn't detect rear seat passengers, only rear door operation. The notification can be turned off. First, touch the home button on the left side of the steering wheel, then rotate the selector wheel to Vehicle Settings and press. Next, select Meter Setup, then Rear Seat Reminder. Finally, select Off. The alerts will remain inactive until turned back on using this procedure.